All right. Now remember, stop me anytime you do not understand. Just stop, teacher. It's okay. Okay, I'm more than happy to teach you one more time. Okay, so number one, I'm going to just highlight a few things to you. Yuga, are you back, Yuga? Okay, not yet. So one thing that you must know is the general formula for a soap. General formula, like you learn in alkane. Alkene got general formula. For soap, if you ever see soap, the general formula is RCOONA or RCOOK. Okay, what is R? Teacher, what on earth do you think is R? R is anything that has 12 to 18 carbon. So I want all of you, if you printed out the paper I gave you, okay, all of you turn to the paper I gave you. If you turn to page 74. Okay, can you see I've got CH3 in bracket CH2 bracket 14 COOH. Okay, so that R could be that. Okay, CH3 CH2 14. Okay, that could be your R because it has 12 to 18 carbon atoms. Okay, so that is an example of what your R can be. So far so good. Do you understand what teacher is saying so far?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good. Okay, let me just go on from there. Okay, it must also have sodium or potassium. So if you notice again, my general formula, I've got sodium and I've got potassium. Okay, and it's 12 to 18 carbon atoms. Okay, so remember, in any one time, you must have R. This R must be 12 to 18 carbons. Okay, which is an example of what teacher gave here. And then I must have COO group here. Okay, now you tell teacher, what is my homologous series here? COO is what group? What homologous series? Carboxyl. Okay, no. Let me change my question. What homologous series? That means in which group? Is it an alkane? Is it an alkene? Is it a carboxylic acid? Is it an alcohol? COO is from which group?
Is it carboxylic acid?
No, not carboxylic acid. Think some more. COO, it starts with E. S.
Ester.
Esterification.
Very good. It's ester, yeah. Bila-bila masa you tengok COO, it is ester. Okay. So you got RCOO, okay, Na. If you tak jumpa Na, it's okay. You are going to put K. Correct. Okay. So this is the mind. In your mind, you must remember a soap is like this. Okay. Now, teacher want you to remember I get soap from saponification. You already know that. Okay. And I want you to remember sapu. Okay, sapu. Teacher, what is sapu? Okay, so if it is animal fat, okay, if it is animal fat, it is saturated. Saturated one single bond or double bond?
Single bond.
Excellent. Okay, saturated is single bond. So if you look at the question, you see all single bonds that is saturated. Saturated only can come from animal. Okay, that's why you remember sapu. Okay, so cow, goat, okay, all these are animals fat. All animals fat are saturated. Now, P is for plants. All plants, sunflower oil, name any oil, they are all unsaturated. Unsaturated, single bond or double bond?
Double bond.
Excellent, double bond. Okay, so two concepts already I taught you. First concept just now was your general formula. Your general formula must have what? R?
COO.
Very good. COO and then?
Na.
Na. If I don't have Na, what do I have?
K.
Very good. K. All right. And then in this slide, teacher's telling you that to memorize sapu. Anything that is saturated is animal fat. It's fat, fat, remember, Kalau dia saturated, dia fat. Kalau dia unsaturated, it is oil. Okay, so that is something that you must really, really remember. Okay, I hope you're writing all this down. Fat is animal, plant or unsaturated, it is oil. Okay, now, how do I get soap? 2 steps. I want everyone writing together with teacher. Okay, this saponification, I have 2 steps. Step number 1 is I am hydrolyzing. Everyone writing down the word hydrolyze. Okay, the hydrolysis of fat or oils. Okay, hydrolysis means teacher is adding water. You follow the steps teacher is doing, yeah, step by step here. Okay. So what I want you to tell me, class, look at this fat and oil. What is the homologous series that you see in this fat or oil? What is that you see there? What is my homologous series?
Is it alcohol?
No? Look at this whole thing. What is the homologous series that he has? Look in the middle. Just now already you all mentioned.
Ester.
Very good. Ester. So anytime you are looking at an oil and a fat, it is an ester. Fat and oils are esters. I hope as I am talking, you are writing. Fat and oil, they are esters. Okay, step number 1 in saponification is I am going to add water. Okay, teacher is going to add water. Okay, let's look at how teacher is adding water here. Okay, I'm not redrawing, but I want each one of you, everyone, you draw for me fat and oil on a piece of paper now. All of you. I'm giving you some time.
Hydrolysis is step 1.
Yes, hydrolysis is step 1, Taran. Okay. Okay. Okay, are we done?
No, for a while.
Okay, no problem.
So you must write the whole thing.
Just the fat and oil here. Everything, yes. Practice. The reason why y'all don't know how to do this is y'all don't practice enough. Let me try to get Vin as well, yeah? Vin is, who else is not in? Vin, Naeem, Samu? Tanin, try, teacher, try and get them. Okay, done, ready? Don't write so long, lah. Wait, done in the last one. All right. Okay. Now, once you have done this, okay, I told you the first step is hydrolysis. That means I'm adding water. Okay, look at where teacher is breaking the bond, yeah? The bond teacher is going to break at the C and the O here. Watch. Teacher break here, I break here, I break here. I want each one of you to break like how I'm breaking. Okay, you break how teacher is breaking the same way. Okay, everyone, have you broken the bond there already?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now, if you notice, I got 3 hydrogens. I will take the hydrogens, I put 1 hydrogen here, 1 hydrogen here, 1 hydrogen here. Okay, all of you done that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I am going to form that product now. I will take this whole thing, okay, and I will write my product out. So if you notice, teacher's just writing over, okay? So I start with this. This one is CH2, I got OH. So CH2, OH. Okay, because the H came together. Then line, CH, CH, dash, dash, I got OH. So teacher write back OH. Line again, CH2 dash OH. Same thing. CH2 dash OH. Do you understand what teacher just did?
Yes.
Okay, Taran, does the rest of you?
Yes.
Okay, excellent. So this is called a glycerol. Your bio students, you should know this. Okay, this is called a glycerol. So you got one. This is my side product. This is not what I want. This is only a side product. Okay, why? Because I only added hydrogen. Okay, now teacher's taking OH. I got 3 OH also as well. Just now I put the H on my left hand side. Now I put the OH on my right hand side. OH, OH, OH. Okay, are you following teacher so far? Okay, I'm going to show you what I'm going to get. I got CH3, so CH3 in bracket, CH2 bracket 14, CH2 bracket 14, COOH. If you notice, I got COOH, COOH. And how many of it do I have? Teacher is adding the, I've got 1, I got 2, and I have got, sorry, the OH must be here, and I've got 3. Don't know whether you understand what teacher just did here. So I got 3 of it, okay? So teacher just put the number 3 in front. Are you following teacher so far? Do you know what I did?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Okay, good. So this is the fatty acid I want. This is the one I want. From here, I'm going to go to step 2. Can teacher go to step 2 now?
Yes, teacher.
Okay,
Yes.
good. So just now, I got my fatty acid. Good. Now, a fatty acid is an acid. Teacher is now going to react with an alkaline. Now, acid and alkaline, what's the name of the process? Form 1, you learn,
Neutralization.
Yes, very good. It's the neutralization of fatty acids and concentrated alkaline to give me soap and water. So this is the soap that teacher want actually. What happened? Watch. This fatty acid here, okay, is going to react with NaOH and you will get your soap. So I've got a better picture here. Okay, this is the picture, yeah? Are you following teacher so far? This is the picture. So teacher is going to cut, okay, here, here, and here. Just now you already added water. You already got the fatty acid. I don't have a separate one, so never mind. You're just going to see it together. Okay, so here, just now you all got H, H, H. Here just now you all got OH, OH, OH. Correct or not just now? Class, you all agree with teacher, the step here?
Correct.
Okay, very good. So now teacher's going to add sodium. Where am I going to add sodium here? Okay, teacher is going to take out the hydrogen here. Take out the hydrogen here. Teacher is going to take this hydrogen, react with water. Take this hydrogen here, react with water again. So you get 3 waters. Oops. Okay, so you got 3 waters there. Okay, alamak, don't know whether you understand what I just did. Wait, let me just erase it for you. Teacher only can understand my writing sometimes. Okay, all right. Okay, I got OH here. Teacher took out the hydrogen and I put in the Na. Okay, so you got RCO, take a hydrogen, put in the sodium, Na. Take out the hydrogen, put in the sodium, Na. Take out the hydrogen and put in the sodium, Na. So can you see now teacher got RCOONA? I got one here. R prime COONA. Second one here. R2 prime COONA. Okay, this is the soap that teacher want. Any questions? Why teacher is there's now one different from here? Okay, here teacher separated the steps. Okay, here they did the steps together. That's why it looks different. But ultimately, teacher wants you to see that this is the soap that you will get. Kenapa ada R? Kenapa ada R prime? Kenapa ada R2 prime? Because sometimes here can be CH2 bracket 14 CH3 COOH. Here can be another one, CH2 bracket 15. Okay, each of the alkyl group can be different, but it doesn't matter. They will give you in exam. What are the 2 steps to get soap? Step number 1 is
Hydrolysis.
very good. Very good, Yuga and Taran. What's step number 2? What is the neutralization, Taran? Correct. The rest of you, do you understand these 2 steps?
Yes.
Okay, what is the name of this process?
Saponification.
Very good. It's called saponification. What is the name of my alkaline that I need to use?
Sodium hydroxide.
Okay, very good, Mardia. Except that, please remember, we are always going to use concentrated. It must be concentrated sodium hydroxide, or it must be concentrated potassium hydroxide. All these questions teachers giving you are all the questions that will come up for exam. Okay, so these are the steps. Okay, these are all the same thing. If you use potassium, okay, they are usually milder. Okay, and we use it for bathing. Okay, all right. Taran?
Sodium hydroxide and
Potassium hydroxide. Okay, it's concentrated. Remember, it must be concentrated. Kalau tak concentrated, salah jawapan. Okay, teacher won't waste time teaching you these steps because we've done it before. But question like to ask in exam, why must you add sodium chloride? In this experiment, you're going to put oil. You're going to put concentrated potassium hydroxide. Teacher also add sodium chloride. Why? Okay, this is the answer. You want to lower the solubility of soap in water. Or you want to precipitate the soap. Kalau cikgu tak tambah garam, if I didn't put the sodium chloride, what happens is it will become very much a solution. Then you cannot see the soap. Okay, but if I put in sodium chloride, then it becomes like a precipitate. We did this experiment in class, isn't it?
yes,
Okay, so I'm sure you all remember the steps, huh? Okay, all right. Now all these are your work, yeah? So, got Maithili. Okay, never mind. Maithili is joining the class. Yes, Hurin, go ahead. Shoot.
Cik, tadi tu memang kena sodium chloride.
Memang kena sodium chloride.
Okay, Cik.
Okay. Hi, Maithili. I think Maithili would have left. Maithili, are you still here? Hi, Maithili.
In the chat.
Oh. Yeah, okay. You're joining the class, Maithili? We are more than welcome to join the class, okay? Can someone share personally with her the questions? All right, okay. Maithili, this is not your class punya, not your class. Teacher had with your class just now, you know. But it's fine. You're more than welcome to join this class. It's fine. All right, just so that you know in case you're confused. Okay, now, how do I know something is a detergent? Okay, I know soap. Okay, how do you differentiate soap and detergent? Who wants to answer me? I look at it, I know it's soap. I look at it, I know it's detergent. Who wants to tell me? How do I differentiate them?
Kalau detergent ada S.
Very good. Okay, very, very good. Okay, now before I go there, you must remember detergent comes from petroleum, yeah? So whatever you're using, you know, in your house and everything, it's coming from petroleum actually. Okay, very good. I must have sulfur in it. Okay, so let's have a look. I want you to pay attention to this. I still have the sodium, just like my soap. Okay, but my soap came from fatty acid. Remember, fatty acid gives me my soap. But in detergent, okay, listen, I must have sodium. I got two types. I must have alkyl. R is my alkyl group, okay? And sulfate. Okay, sulfate is SO4 2 minus kan? That is my one type. Okay, second type.
Can you repeat again? Sorry.
You want me to repeat the name, is it? You can see my screen or not?
Oh yeah, can.
So it's sodium. Sodium is the first one. Alkyl is the R group. And
Okay.
just like soap, yeah, the alkyl they will always give you. They will tell you one CH3 bracket CH2 14. They will tell you. You don't have to remember. Okay, and then the whole thing here is a sulfate group. That's type number 1. Type number 2 is sodium. You still must have sodium. Okay, and then it's alkyl benzene. Okay, so this is my alkyl group. This is my benzene group. Put it together. Okay, and then you get sulfonate. Teacher, why different, teacher? Why sulfonate? Because there's now sulfate, I got SO4. Sulfonate, I got SO3. 1 S, 3 O's. 1, 2, 3 here. Okay, do you need to know the name? Yes. Well, can they ask you an objective? Yes. So memorize them and it's not difficult. Okay, one has a benzene group. One has a alkyl group. One is a sulfate, one is a sulfonate. So it's not difficult. Okay, I want one person to tell me what is the name of one quickly. Sodium.
Sodium alkyl sulfate.
Tak dengar. Sodium apa sayang?
Sodium alkyl sulfate.
All right, let's give Bukti a round of applause. Sodium alkyl sulfate is correct. Okay, very good. I hope you all are clapping there. Yeah? Okay, now another one who can share with us.
Sodium alkyl benzene sulfonate.
Okay, excellent. Also, Munira. Okay, very good. All right, so these two, yeah. So you know these are detergents. Okay, now, this one also I'll go through a bit with you, but I won't waste time. Teacher want to do questions really after this. Now, when a soap, are you sure this is a soap, class? Can somebody tell me whether this is a soap? Are you sure this is a soap? How you know this is a soap? How leh? Tell me.
Dia dah cakap tu soap.
Smack you. I know they told me it's soap. Okay, but if they didn't tell me.
Ada NA.
No, detergent also got an A.
No sulfur lecture.
No sulfur, correct. What does it have?
Sodium.
No. Benzene also got sodium.
COO.
Yes. Okay, it has the ester group. Correct. You got more. I have my COO here. This is my fatty acid. I told you, soap must have fatty acid. Think of one person. No, never mind. It's okay. Never mind. Just forget it. All right. Okay. So now what is my CH3, CH2, 14 here? Is it my alkyl group? Is it my R group? Yes, correct. So I told you R, they will always give an exam. Okay, so yes. Now what happens is when I ionize it in water, it will break. Okay, where teacher's breaking the O and Na here. And this is where teacher will get the anion of the soap and my sodium ion will separate. Okay, and this is the part that is very useful. Not the sodium ion, not important at all. So this is the one that you must actually understand. Okay, I am going to ask you this sodium anion, yeah, all these are actually hydrocarbon. So teacher can actually draw them like this. CH3, 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 sorry, CH2, 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 CH2. How many of 14 of it? Okay, and then teacher got the COO of here, right? Okay, so COO. Now what is happening here is all these parts here just now, which it was the alkyl group just now, the R group, teacher called it hydrophobic. What's the meaning of hydrophobic?
Dia lari daripada air.
Dia lari daripada air, betul. Cannot go near water. Okay, it doesn't want to be in the water. But when I have my COO here, dia suka, dia minat air, they love the water. Okay, they will run into the water. Okay, so this is called hydrophilic. Philic means I like. Okay, and hydro means water. So I like water. Okay, so the one that always have the charges, okay, or the negative charge, it will always be liking water, hydrophilic, and the one that has a long hydrocarbon chain, it will be the one that doesn't love water, hydrophobic. Yeah, so same thing for detergent. Detergent pun, I've got a long alkyl group, same concept. Okay, this whole thing here is my hydrophobic group. The one that has my negative charge, that's my hydrophilic. In exam, they like to ask, circle the part that is hydrophilic. Underline the part that is hydrophobic. You need to know the difference. Okay, tadi actually sodium alkyl sulfate must have sodium here. Tapi kalau kita ionize dia dah tak ada. So I don't care about the sodium. This is the anion part. Okay, now this is the same thing. Okay, sodium alkyl benzene sulfonate. Teacher again have the hydrophobic part and the hydrophilic part here. Okay, now what I don't want to do now to waste our time is I won't teach you this part because I taught you the basic. Okay, I want you to go and read on your own this part. No need to waste time because jarang soalan tanya this part. Very rare, but you should know, you should read. I want to go to the questions that they like to ask in exam. Okay, they like to ask, soap and detergent, why are they effective and why are they not effective in hard water? Now, what do you understand about hard water? Hard water kena ada dua benda, dua ion. What ion is that?
Calcium, magnesium.
Very good. Dia mesti ada calcium, dia mesti ada magnesium. Okay? All right. Where can I find it? Sea water, well water. Okay, usually and in they will also give you hints sometimes. Air perigi pun sometimes they will say well water. Yeah, so you must remember hard water got calcium and magnesium. Okay, what's the problem? The problem is this. Okay, when calcium and magnesium reacts with the soap, I will get scum. Okay, sometimes it's a gray precipitate, sometimes it's a white precipitate, and it becomes an insoluble precipitate. Okay, I'll show you what's happening, yeah? Probably you can't understand. Teacher, I don't understand what you're saying. So imagine teacher has this, yeah? Watch what I'm doing. Okay, I've got COO minus, yeah? This is my soap anion. This soap anion supposed to go to the water and clean up the dirt. But what happens is, it went and react. I've got calcium suddenly coming in. So teacher will now get okay, this. Okay, the calcium went and attached itself to this whole molecule. Don't worry about writing it because you're not asked. No one is asking you to do it. Yeah, teacher's just doing it for you. Okay, now this whole thing is called a scum. Now you tell teacher, if a scum is formed or a precipitate is formed, do you think now that my soap can function like normal? My soap can go and clean clothes, or my soap cannot go and clean clothes?
Cannot.
Cannot go and clean clothes. So these are your 2 marks for exam. Yeah, mark number 1, you must mention that calcium and magnesium, you always have it in hard water. Point number 2, calcium and magnesium cannot react with soap. Point number 2, why? Because they will form a scum. That's it. And then if they ask you for detergent, why detergent can? Okay, why soap cannot? Because detergent will not form a scum. They are okay with hard water. They won't form a precipitate. Okay, they will form a soluble substance. Okay, with calcium and magnesium. Therefore, it is still okay to perform its action in hard water. Okay, let's compare. detergent and soap, yeah? So soap you get from sapu. Detergent from petroleum. Okay? Soap, only soft water, normal water. Detergent, soft water, and hard water. Y'all can take a photo, yeah, if y'all want. If y'all want to write it down also can. Soap will always form scum in hard water. Detergent, no scum. Okay? Now, acidic water is also the same thing. Soap will form a precipitate. Detergent does not form a precipitate. Now, the only one good thing about soap, soap tak ada pollution because they are biodegradable. But detergent, they are non-biodegradable. Okay, so that's why that's the only bad thing about detergent. Okay, so these are some questions. I'll give you my questions here. Okay, does anyone have any questions that you want to ask on this chapter before we do the questions that is given to you? Do you think you understand better with teacher's explanation just now?
Yes,
Yes.
yeah.
Okay, good. 8:45. I probably half an hour more lah. We try and see our, but the questions I'm asking you is not all going to be about soap. Hang on. Okay, I have got questions on cosmetics there. I've got plenty of different questions there. Yeah. Do you have this paper with you? Do you see my cosmetic questions in front?
Yes, sir.
Tak ada.
Yes.
Okay. So I think cosmetic very rarely came out. Yeah. So I want to hear your answer. What are cosmetics? Those of you who did. What's the meaning of cosmetic?
Materials or products that are used externally to cleanse, protect, or enhance one's appearance.
That day I asked in class also, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes. Mukni, did you memorize by heart or did you write down on your paper?
Write down on my paper, Chan.
Okay, well done, Mukni. Good job. I hope all of you clapping hand for Mukni. Yeah? What are two basic ingredients for cosmetic production? I want the boys to answer. Boys?
Water and emulsifier.
Okay, today Mukni helping you all, boys. You all are so blessed. Okay, you got water, you got emulsifier. Okay, I give you some more answers. Thickener, dye, preservatives, moisturizer, fragrances. Okay, you want to smell nice. Okay, you have all this in your cosmetic, yeah? Okay, very good, very good. So proud. Okay, plastic bottles and nylon are example of products made from polymers. Now tell teacher two types of polymer that you know.
Thermoplastic, thermosetting.
Salah.
Natural and synthetic.
Okay, yes, natural and synthetic. Okay, it must be natural and synthetic. Okay, why cannot take Mukni's answer?
Saya punya sintetik punya.
Yes, okay, you are just using the ones that are synthetic only, yeah? So teacher want both together. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Okay, these are the questions. This is the question that teacher wanted to do. Which one is soap?
A.
Very good, excellent. Okay, going faster already because you're super smart already. Name the process of making soap.
Saponification.
Notification.
Very good. Saponification. Teacher won't waste time lah because tak cukup masa. So, okay, look. Ini kalau pun, let's say you dah buat soalan ni, buat lagi sekali. Okay. They said palmitic acid, okay, reacts with cooking oil and sodium hydroxide gives me soap. Write the chemical equation for teacher right now. Even though you have tried, try again. Soalan dah bagi dah. Apa tambah apa? Taran still didn't find Heyman, Taran.
You said highway.
Oh, highway. Teacher heard as on the way. Okay, never mind. Okay, once you got the answer, you can give teacher already. Waiting, teacher's waiting. Okay, maybe I should call. Amy. Amy, are you there? Okay, never mind. Let's go to Yuga.
I'm not sure, but I just tried it.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. I'm happy if you try.
CH3 bracket CH2 bracket 14 COOH
Wait, sorry, sorry, I made a mistake. 14 COH. Go ahead.
plus concentrated sodium hydroxide, which is NaOH.
Right.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay, good. Good start. Who would like to end for him?
So can I try?
Yeah, sure.
CH3 bracket CH2 bracket 14 COONA plus H2O.
Excellent. Okay, well done. Let's give Hurin a round of applause. Well done, Hurin. Okay, actually what she did was very simple, Yuga. I just take out the hydrogen, Yuga, and I put the sodium inside. That's it. Can Yuga?
Yeah, got it.
All we need to do is to make sure in a soap, I have sodium. That's it. And your answer is correct. You get 2 marks for this. Well done. Okay, now let's look at this. I got A and I got B. In A, okay, you see water. Now, sea water is what? Hard water or soft water?
Hard water.
Very good. If hard water, what do I have?
Calcium.
Very good. I got calcium and I got magnesium. Okay, now in A, the stain is still there. In B, the stain is gone. Question is, which one is less effective? And then why? 3 marks. More. Is more here? Do you hear the question?
This is one of the one you're showing.
It's this one. Okay, which one is less effective?
Less effective is the first one
Why?
because the oily stain remains after soap is added, after
Yeah.
the cleaning agent is added,
Why?
because scum is formed.
Why? So because got 3
Because,
marks, right? So he got 1 mark already.
The soap reacts with calcium or magnesium ions in the hot water
Okay,
to
so
form insoluble precipitate.
okay, correct. His answer is correct. Yeah, so teacher's just going to break it down. Good job, Mo. So teacher will go first one. Hard water contains, so he actually put all together, which is nothing wrong. Okay, hard water contains calcium or magnesium ions. Okay, so this is my 2nd mark. And then his 3rd mark is, okay, now most of you say soap is reacting with the calcium and magnesium. Actually, it's the anion, okay, of the soap. Okay, the anion of the soap will react with calcium and magnesium. to produce scum. If you don't want to use the word scum, you want to put insoluble salt, also okay. And that makes it less effective. Did you get the marking scheme answer? Did you all hear the answer?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
sir.
Okay, so I'm going to go to another soap question. So I'm leaving all these questions for you all to try. Okay, if you got time, teacher will do this one with you especially, but I'm going to go to the soap questions first. Okay, let's go to Kedah. I do soap with you first, and then I will go back to all the other questions because in your brain's already full of soap, right? Okay, so we want to actually work on the soap. Okay, so name the process for the preparation of soap. Everybody should be able to answer me here. Can I have Shahimi?
Saya?
Soalan A.
Proses saponification je.
Okay, soalan B juga.
Kira
The question is
potassium hydroxide solution.
very good. Okay, potassium hydroxide solution. Okay, good job. Okay, now question C is the same as just now. Write down the chemical equation. Yuga, teacher want you to try. And the rest of you trying as well. Okay, I want each one of you to try, including each one, Yuga, you try out this question.
CH3 bracket CH2 bracket 14 COOH
Okay,
plus NaOH
okay.
arrow CH3 bracket CH2 bracket 14
Abuela.
Wait, Mungni! Mungni, what are you watching?
Oh, Chair, sorry, Chair. Saya dah Discord, Chair.
Apa dia?
Saya dah Discord, Chair.
Okay. Oi, I'm gonna smack you.
Itu orang lain cakap je, bukan saya je. Saya tengah buat soalan.
Siapa yang cakap tu?
Cikgu dengar apa, Cikgu? Saya tak tahu cikgu dengar apa.
Okay, never mind. It's okay. COO. Never mind. It's alright. Na plus H2O. All right. Correct, Yuga. Well done. Okay, Nat. Yuga, do you understand how to do now?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, the rest of you, do you get the picture now? Do you understand? Can you see the questions are repeating itself?
Yes, Chair.
Okay, Taran, next one. Calculation question. Can you imagine that even a chapter 5, form 5 question can do calculation? Okay, girls, I'm going to ask you all the next one after this. Get ready. Taran, how to... Okay, go.
Number of mole equals mass of molar.
Very good. Number of moles is equals to mass over molar mass. Okay.
Mass equals to 0.05 times 270.
Okay, very good. And then what do I get?
.9.
13.9 what?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay. I would like to give a round of applause for Shahimi, for Yuga, and for Taran. Okay. Unfortunately, only my clap can be heard. Okay, well done. Okay, girls. Which one is soap? WOX.
W.
Okay, Hurin, why?
The dirt remains on shirt when cleaned with hot water.
Correct, simple answer. Okay, the dirt remains. Okay, on the shirt when cleaned with hot water. Good job. So we notice it's simple questions. Okay, teacher malas to write already. Now you got 2 beakers. Okay, beaker P got soap, beaker Q got detergent. Okay, soap. But we don't know lah. They didn't tell us whether it's soap or detergent. They didn't say. Okay. They didn't say. So they said, how can I distinguish which one is soap, which one is detergent? They gave me calcium nitrate solution. They gave me boiling tubes and they gave me rubber stopper. Okay, why did they give me calcium nitrate solution? Why? What is my calcium nitrate
Hard
solution?
water.
Very good. Yeah, exactly. That's my hard water. So in exam, don't expect them to always say the word hard water. Yeah, they maybe they can write even magnesium nitrate solution. Okay, and then they will expect you to know got calcium, got magnesium. That is already your hard water. Okay. Teacher give you 1 minute. Try out this question. If you've already tried, look at your answer. Okay, I'll be calling out a few of you shortly. And then we do the last soap question after this. Are you all writing? Or you all already wrote?
Tengah buat je.
Okay. Is Maithili still here? Maithili, are you here, Maithili? Did someone send you the questions, Maithili? Okay, teacher will send to you. Wait, but my phone died. I'm so sorry. Mukni, can you help me? Mukni, send the questions to her.
Kat siapa?
Maithili. Maithili 5B. Do you have a number?
Saya boleh minta Azman. Dia tengah on dalam Discord.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, Munira said can. Munira. Thank you, Munira. Okay. Let's have one person doing the first statement. So I need 3 marks. 3 marks means 3 points. 1, 2, 3. Simple only. Simple steps. Okay, very simple steps. Who wants to be the brave one to start first? Well, I haven't called out their name yet, yeah? Farah? Farah, are you here with us? Can be Farah, can be Mardia, can be Shira. Yeah, Shira, I haven't heard your voice yet. If you want to try. I didn't see Farisha. Maithili, you can also try if you want, yeah? Okay. Number 1. So you got solution in beaker P, solution in beaker Q. But then they gave you boiling tubes. What must you do? Should I give you the first step? Wait, hello. Let's go with Mukni lah, Mukni, since you are.
Yes, Chair.
No. Yeah.
Pour magnesium nitrate solution into...
Ask your background people to keep quiet a bit, so noisy.
Okay, jap. Oi, Zahir. Yes, Chair. Pour magnesium nitrate solution into boiling tubes that is filled with
But where do you
beaker
get
P and
magnesium nitrate?
Magnesium nitrate? Dia dah bagi magnesium nitrate solution?
No.
Bukan eh? Oh,
No?
calcium nitrate. Oh. Asal di mana saya dapat magnesium nitrate?
Okay.
Tak apa. Pour calcium nitrate solution into boiling tubes that is filled with soap solution and detergent solution.
So you're combining two sentences together, is it?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
How much of the magnesium nitrate you want to put?
How much? How much?
0.5 decibel.
0.5 is the concentration.
500 milliliters. Banyaknya. Uyo. Apa
This is
That
this is your boiling tube, yeah? Boiling tube and test tube different. Boiling tube slightly bigger. So your max is about 12 to 15 centimeter cube. Okay, boiling tube, test tube slightly smaller. Which is not good in drawing, yeah, sorry. So let's say 10 centimeter cube. So here we're using boiling tubes. So you have to remember the amount must be appropriate.
So 10 centimeter cube je. 10 centimeter cube je.
And then, so much lah, don't put so much, put lesser.
5.
Okay, pour 5 centimeter
Okay.
cube of
Calcium nitrate solution.
okay, calcium nitrate solution.
Into boiling tube.
One boiling tube ke?
Into boiling tube P and boiling tube Q.
Okay, actually, if I was him, yeah, I won't use this sentence. Can someone help him?
For 5 centimeter cube of 0.5 or cube of calcium nitrate solution.
Into?
Into bigger P and big. Oh, sorry, Cik. Into the boiling tube.
Okay, so maybe what teacher will actually do is I will do it separately. Okay, can I have y'all saying this? Okay, all of you writing down teacher sentence here, yeah? For 3 centimeter cube. Okay, let's start with, we do step by step. For 3 centimeter cube of the solution from beaker P and beaker Q, number 2 here, into different test tubes. Okay, and in these test tubes, they already have containing 5 centimeter cube of calcium nitrate solution. Okay, you read my sentence first, see whether you understand what teacher just said. You can actually put it together or you can actually separate them. It's fine. So teacher took 3 centimeter cube of the solution from beaker P and then 3 centimeter cube of the solution from beaker Q, and I put in two different test tubes, and that 2 different test tubes already has 5 centimeter cube of calcium nitrate solution. Does that make sense to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, now they gave me a rubber stopper. So then what to do? You've used this, you've used this. What are you going to do with the rubber stopper?
Close the
Close the boiling tube with the rubber stopper, Yuga?
yeah.
Very good. So close the boiling tube with the rubber stopper. And then what do? Do you just leave it?
Shake.
Very good, Munira. Okay, and then we shake it. Okay, so I still didn't distinguish. Cikgu belum lagi bezakan between the soap and the detergent. So when I shake it, what's going to happen? Which one's going to give me?
Soap will produce scum.
Very good. Okay, so you end it with solution in the beaker. In the beaker with soap or the beaker with detergent will give me scum.
Soup.
Very good. Okay, will produce scum. And that's it. That's how you get your 3 marks. Even if you didn't use the perfect sentence like how teacher gave here, but if it's something like this, it's fine. It's completely fine. All right, can we go to the last question and then teacher let you go? So it is actually on your page 79. Again, yeah, teacher will ask you quickly the first few questions, and then you can answer the difficult ones on your own. Okay, can I move on to the next question?
Yes.
Yes.
Was it a yes or a no?
Yes.
All right. Page 79. Yeah, here. Okay, this one we do secara congak first. So this one came out from Selangor. Not your set. Your set is the previous one. What's the name of this process? To produce A. Sorry.
Saponification.
Yeah, saponification. Correct. Yeah. Okay. Why do I need to add sodium chloride powder? I told you just now. Why do I add sodium chloride powder?
To precipitate the soap.
Exactly. Correct. To precipitate the soap. One answer. Let me write down for you. Another way to answer this for me. To precipitate the soap. Another way to answer? To reduce. Yes, Maria. go
Solubility
ahead.
of soap.
To lower the solubility.
Very good. To lower the solubility. Carry on. Whose solubility are you trying to lower?
Yes.
Very good. Of soap. Now, if you just stop here, you still do not get that 1 mark. You're lowering the solubility of, sorry, I gave the answer. Of soap, where? In? In London?
In water.
Yes, in water, correct. All right, perfect answer here. Good job. Mardiamo Hurin. Okay, what is the ion that is, what are the ions that are in hot water?
Calcium ions, magnesium.
Correct. Yeah. So they just said state. So you can actually just write like this. Okay. Calcium. Well done. Okay. Good job. Good job. Yuga. Which one is more effective in seawater? Now, seawater is what? Hot water or not hot water?
Hot water.
Hot water. So which one is more effective? Someone whose voice I did not hear for a long time. Okay, doesn't matter. Just answer. If not, I won't end this class. Okay, so which cleaning agent is more effective? B, Taran. Thank you, Taran. Go ahead. Tell me why is it B?
Because when detergent is when detergent reacts with seawater, it does not form structure.
Very good. Simple answer, yeah. So cleaning agent B does not form scum in hot water. You must have that word hot water. If not, cannot. Okay, we're almost going to finish. As I said, yes, Munira?
Kalau scum tukar jadi insoluble precipitate boleh ke?
Boleh. Bagus soalan tu. Good. Yes. Tapi kalau cikgu, cikgu tulis scum tu lagi pendek daripada insoluble precipitate. Terpulang pada Munirah. Tapi tak, no problem at all. Yeah?
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, which one is more environmentally friendly? And explain the answer.
A.
A, why?
Biodegradable.
Wah, Suddenly also answering together. What do you say?
Biodegradable.
Wait, so many voices. Okay, A, correct. Biodegradable, I heard it, correct. Biodegradable. All right. Yuga and Mugnia, correct, good job. This is not, sorry, B, biodegradable. Okay, last one. Same thing as just now. Okay, A and B. Okay, how can I differentiate A and B? I've got hot water, I've got cleaning agent B, cleaning agent A, and 2 boiling tubes. Let me hear your answer. Can do it, Sachara, Chonga also as well. Say it out to teacher so you don't have to write. It's about the same. Maitali, would you like to try, Maitali? Maitali, how did you know I have class now, Maitali? Did you just join? I mean, like simply click the button to join?
Hello, sir.
Hello?
Okay, can I try you?
Sorry?
Can I try you? Try.
Ken, who's this?
Naim, sir.
Naim? Is Naim in the group?
I wasn't supposed to be here. Actually, never mind. I just say my answer lah. Later lah.
No, wait. Naim is coming out as Munira.
Really?
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah, sir. For me, sir.
oh yeah, sure. This is I'm using my sister's laptop, sure.
Okay. All right. Okay. Munira, are you still here?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. All right. Naim. Wow. Hi, Naim. Welcome. Finally, I get to hear your voice. Okay. Carry on. Let's go on. Naim. How long have you been here, Naim?
Since 8:30.
Okay. All right. Interesting. Naim, go ahead.
For both cleaning agents in separate test tubes,
Okay.
in containing hot water,
Okay.
then boil both test tubes.
Wait. Why are you boiling them?
Wait. Sorry. Heat up both of the test tubes.
No need. Just shake actually enough.
Shake. Okay.
Okay.
Shake both of the test tubes and observe scum forming.
Okay. So where will you get scum? You must mention. If you refer to the previous question, cleaning agent A is soap, cleaning agent B is detergent. So where will you get scum?
Cleaning agent A.
Okay, so give me the sentence. Scum will be observed.
Scum will be observed forming at the bottom of the boiling test tube. Is it?
Yeah, with cleaning agent what? A or B?
Cleaning agent A.
And then?
Then?
No precipitate?
No precipitate.
Will be observed or is formed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, he's got it very well. Good job. Okay, Naim, which is very proud of you. Well done. Okay. Okay, I gave you one way to answer just now. I'm going to give you another way to answer. Naim, your method is correct. I'm just using different ways to give you all to answer. Okay. So I'm going to put 5 centimeter cube of hard water. Same thing. I'm just using different ways. Okay. Is poured into 2 boiling tubes. Teacher's just giving you 2 ways to just show you the steps of how you can do it. So teacher put hot water into 2 boiling tubes. Okay, so hot water settle. Okay, then I'm going to put cleaning agent A and cleaning agent B, okay, is added into the boiling tubes respectively and shaken. Now, if you did the way that teacher did prior to this, it's fine. I am just showing you a different way of writing. Okay. Just now I mixed them together. Here, I'm putting them separately. No difference. Okay. Third one, scum is observed. You did well, Naim. Your answers were very good. Okay. In the mixture of cleaning agent A with hard water. Remember, cleaning agent A is with hard water. I hope you all understand teacher's writing. Okay. And no precipitate, okay, is formed in the mixture of cleaning agent B with hot water. As I said, I'm just giving you 2 ways of writing a sentence for this kind of questions. That's all. Do you all understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think it's pretty simple. I think I won't go any further. You all can try the other questions on your own. Teacher's done them myself. So if you want me to post the answers to you, you just ask teacher. I'll give you the answers. Are you all okay with that?
Okay.
Okay, let me see your lovely faces. You take a photo and then you can go. Thank you for joining class today. Make sure you talk today, tomorrow in class, like how you spoke today.
Thanks for teaching us.
Most welcome. Do you all understand?
Thank you,
or
sir.
not? Most welcome. All right, all looking really good. Hurin, Mukni, Shahimi, Yuga. Okay, the real Munira and the not real Munira. Shahimi, I want to see your face. Okay.
Teacher, tak baju.
Tak pakai baju, pakailah. Go find a baju. I just want to ask Maitali. Maitali, oh, she just saw the messages. Okay. Maitali came to the wrong class, but she still learned something. Maitali, did you learn something, Maitali? All right. Okay. Who's my camera lady here? Oh, my cameraman. Okay.
Me.
Can Taran? Okay, Taran, let's take a photo.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay, thank you, everyone. I will see you tomorrow at 8:30.
Okay,
Some of
teacher,
you,
see you.
see you. Some of you at 7.
Thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher.
Bye. See you.
Thank you, Cha.
Kita
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Yo. Bye. Bye, Shahimi. Bye, Shahimi.